Okay. Student, today we are going to start with our second question. In this question, you have to verify whether the product is equal to the product of given number. जो भी given number है, उससे जो answers आते हैं, that is equal or not. In that question, in this question, you have to find out the HCF and LCM of the given number. दोनों find out करना है. You have to find out the HCF also. LCM also, and then you have to verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. वो दोनों का product equal है क्या नहीं, तो हमको मालूम पड़ेगा that this is verifying that HCF and LCM of the given number. Now just see first what you're going to find out the HCF and LCM first. HCF and LCM हमको पहला find out करना है by the method which I have. HCF के लिए I told you to do separate, and for LCM you are going to do a combine. LCM हम कैसे find out करते हैं? LCM is the common multiplied by uncommon, but for HCF we have to find only the common. जो common रहता है वही हमारा HCF है. LCM क्या होता है? LCM is our common multiplied by uncommon. This all we have learned in our previous lecture regarding the HCF and regarding the LCM. Now we have to verify whether the given product is equal to the given number. For that there is a formula, that is HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of two number. HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the two number. Let us see one by one how you are going to solve this type of sums. Now first of all it is given 32 and 37. See, 32 and 37. First, what we have to find out? Find out the HCF and the LCM of both the number. Now here I am finding first the HCF. See, HCF को मैंने क्या बोला था? Separately होना चाहिए. So here HCF is, this 32 is going by the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Then once again 2 9s are 18. Then 2, oh wait, I just did mistake. 2 ones are 2. Wait a minute. 2 ones are 2. 1 carry, it become 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Then once again 2 8s are 16. Then once again 2 4s are 8. Once again 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. तो 32 का LCM HCF क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that only I have written. First, you have to find out the factors of that number. That 32 का factors क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now next we are going to find out the factor of 37. Now 37 is a number which is not going by 2 table. If we take 3 table में भी 7 नहीं आता है, तो 37 क्या है हमारा? It is our prime number. So what we have to do? We have to take 37 ones are 37. So here what I done? 1 into 37. Now HCF means what? HCF means our common plus uncommon. Oh sorry, HCF means our common only. अभी यहाँ पे common क्या है? यहाँ पे 2 भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे 37 भी नहीं है, but this two number, this 32 and 37 is coming in one table, that is the table of 1. So हमारा HCF मिला हमको 1. LCM क्या है? Common plus uncommon. Now here common is 1. See, as I multiply all, it is getting 32 only. We can see over here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 twos are 16 and 16 twos are is 32. So LCM क्या है मेरा 32 multiply by 37. So if I multiply 32 by 37, what I get? I am getting the answer that is 1184. As our formula is HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the number. Now, when I multiply HCF and LCM, if I multiply HCF and LCM, that means 1 into 1184. We are getting answer as same only 1184. Now, what is the product of two number? Product ये दोनों नंबर है उसका प्रोडक्ट उसका आंसर क्या है आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग 37 we get answer that is same 1184. So means our formula HCF multiply by LCM is equal to the product of two number is verifying. When we are getting both the number, दोनों नंबर जब हमको सेम मिलता है that means it is verifying. वो दोनों equal है. HCF multiply by LCM is equal to the product of two number. ये हमने proof किया है. Why? Because we are getting both the answer same. Now the next number is third one, that is 15, 60. Now 15 and 60, we have to find out the factors. Now 15, चलो 15 का फैक्टर क्या है? The factor of 15, wait, we will do these sums by combining. Combine करके हम करते because we have to write the HCF and LCM of both the numbers. So I will combine it 15, 60. Just see here. Now 15 and 16, it is going by the table of 3. Because if I take the table of 2, 5 will not come. So directly those will be made. 3 5s are 15 and 3 20s are 60. Clear? Now both the numbers are coming in the table of 5. So I will write 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. Clear? Now once again 4 is coming. So we will take the table of, no, we will stop over here. We will not take, वो बड़ा lengthy होगा. So here common is what? 3 and 5. Uncommon is 3 5 4. Clear? So HCF what I will write? HCF means common. ये हमारा common है, दोनों में आ रहा है. So HCF I have written 3 multiplied by 5. And LCM means common plus uncommon, that is 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Now next step was our HCF multiplied by LCM. Now we will multiply HCF by LCM. Just wait a minute. Okay. HCF is what? 3 into 5 into LCM is 3 into 4 into 5. Chalo, now multiplication we will do. 3 5s are 3 5s are 15. Very good. 15 3s are 15 multiplied by 3. 15 3s are 15 3s are 45. Very good. Then 45 4s are 45 4s are very nice. 45 4s is 180. Now 180 multiply by 5. 180 multiply by 5. Very good. That is equal to This is equal to 900. Clear? हमारा HCF and LCM I have written directly multiply किया है, but if you will do 3 into 5 into 3 into 4 into 5, that is also right. So HCF multiplied by LCM is 900. Now the product of two number. Now this product of two number, that means 15 by 60. Now multiply 15 by 60. What you got? Let me know. 15 multiplied by 60. What you got? Very nice. Yeah, you people are getting the same answer, that is 900. 900 मिला. तो अभी क्या हमने प्रूफ किया, हमने क्या वेरीफाई किया, that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the two number. HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the two number. So we have verified it.